If you're on the hunt for a new home treadmill, there are a few key features you should be looking out for. The best home treadmills are conveniently sized, powered by strong motors, and equipped with features that deliver valuable workout guidance, fitness monitoring, and entertainment. As the treadmill is going to be in your home at all times, it's a good idea to prioritize machines that you think are versatile enough to meet all your household members' fitness needs while also being quiet enough to operate without disturbing anyone too much. Not sure where to start your search? We've rounded up the best home treadmills on the market today, taking into consideration key factors such as price, performance, and special features. If you're looking for a specific type of machine, such as the best model for interactive streaming or the top model for incline training, we've picked out the standout treadmill in that category to help further streamline your search. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpick.com. Number 6. Mobvoi Home Treadmill Incline. The Mobvoi Home Treadmill Incline is an affordable, easy-to-use treadmill designed for home use. During testing, it was easy to build, and we were up and running quite literally in about an hour. The screen is pretty basic and switches between distance, time, calories, and incline. We couldn't work out how to switch the treadmill between kilometers and miles, and the buttons weren't all that responsive, but it did the job. Impressively, the little treadmill has a top incline of 15%, which is great for walking workouts. The belt can also be folded up when you're not using it, making this handy if you're trying to install a treadmill into a smaller space and stop small children and animals from using it when you're not. There are 25 built-in programs you can use on the treadmill, although it's not all that easy to even find these. There's also nowhere to place a tablet, so you'll need to position the treadmill strategically if you want to follow classes. With the top speed of 8.7 miles per hour, this treadmill won't be for everyone. It's not the most comfortable to run on, but if you're looking for a treadmill at home for walking and easy workouts, it's an affordable option. Number 5. XTerra Fitness TRX 3500. The XTerra Fitness TRX 3500 is a moderately priced option that impressed us with its exercise quality and connected features. Its 60 by 20 inches belt allows for easy strides with less chance of snagging the edge. It's suitable for folks of all fitness levels due to the wide speed range of 0.5 to 12 miles per hour, allowing both 5-minute milers and casual walkers to hit their stride. Incline adjust with a push of a button with 12 levels from 0 to 12%. You can do targeted heart rate training with the built-in heart rate sensors, and it also includes 30 programmed workouts. Whether on a manual or pre-programmed workout, the display includes all the data you need on a brightly lit, easy-to-read 6.5-inch blue backlit screen. The controls are intuitive, with quick jump speed and incline buttons on the console, along with easy-to-reach handrail-mounted adjustment buttons. The XTerra features Bluetooth FTMS connectivity to sync up to apps like Zwift, Peloton, Runkeeper, and Strava through your own device for interactive, live streaming, or on-demand workouts and activity tracking. The console's multiple add-on features include an integrated fan, device shelf, auxiliary input, speakers, and dual bottle cup holders to enhance your workout sessions. The running deck has extra soft cushioning and has a lift assistant and soft drop feature for easier folding and unfolding. The TRX 3500 is also impressively sturdy and stable with robust construction and a user weight limit of 350 pounds. The assembly of this treadmill was quite involved. The instructions are well detailed and all the necessary tools are included, but it still takes a fair amount of time and several steps require an extra set of hands. The TRX 3500 is also quite large and heavy. We recommend putting it together in the location where you'll use it because moving it once assembled can be a pain. Though the running deck folds up when it's not in use, it still takes up a significant amount of space. However, if you've got room to spare, we feel the XTerra TRX 3500 is an excellent treadmill that will help take your home workouts to the next level without breaking the bank. Number 4. Bowflex T10. Where the NordicTrack X22i offers the widest range of incline options on the market, it comes at a cost of $2,999. This can certainly be worth the investment if you're a serious athlete. Furthermore, if you compete in events like marathon and triathlons, the interactive iFit programming and the 40% incline will give you the most realistic training experience as you prepare for upcoming events. With that being said, if you want to enjoy the strengthening benefits of incline training on a budget and aren't as concerned with diversity in simulation opportunities, the Bowflex T10 is worth a look. It's pretty common to find incline settings ranging from 0 to 15%. While this is a decent range for the average person, you can't train for decline, and steep simulation is limited. The T10 expands the range to -5 and -15%. During incline intervals, your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and ankles are challenged. Once you switch over to decline, you get the chance to put hip flexors and knees to work. Not only does this open up the opportunity to strengthen areas of the body that are commonly overlooked, those recovering from hip or knee surgery injury can use decline training to restore strength and mobility. There are other areas where the Bowflex T10 shines. For starters, it has a longer warranty than our top pick for incline training, and users get to experience the GRNY fitness app on the 10-inch HD touchscreen free for a full year. If fitness app training isn't your thing, GRNY allows you to stream other apps like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, and more. Number 3. NordicTrack Commercial 1750. The latest version of the NordicTrack Commercial 1750 has a sleek, modern design and quickly became one of our favorite treadmills for the quality workout it provides and the unique, immersive training experience of the iFit app. Boasting a big 60 by 21.5-inch tread surface and belt speeds up to 12 miles per hour, it can easily handle everything from walking to serious indoor training without restricting stride length and less fear of accidentally catching the side rails. The tread deck has runner's flex cushioning for added comfort, with incline up to 15% and decline down to -3 for hill workouts and to stimulate the terrain in the iFit videos. The swiveling console features a 14-inch HD touchscreen that is used to select and view iFit workouts. You can easily do manually controlled workouts, but the highlight is the iFit app, which offers a unique style of trainer-led scenic videos that are a departure from the studio-style programs of the competition. The engaging and motivating trainers lead you on runs, walks, and hikes in beautiful locations all over the world, and the auto-adjust feature changes speeds and incline based on the terrain in the video and prompts of the trainer for an immersive experience that makes you almost feel like you're there. There are thousands of videos to choose from with all the variety you could ever need with different instructors, types of workouts, landscapes, music, and durations to choose from. The console also features quality speakers, quick jump speed and incline buttons, an adjustable cooling fan, and bottle holders to help you stay hydrated. The screen also swivels to optimize it for viewing the wealth of off-treadmill workouts on the iFit app. One of our biggest gripes with the Commercial 1750 is the ergonomics of the controls. The speed and incline adjustment buttons aren't quite as user-friendly or easy to reach while running as other models that have them located on the side handrails. Of course, this doesn't matter as much when using iFit and its auto-adjust feature, but we feel it's notable nonetheless. Though not overly difficult, the assembly process was also quite involved and time-consuming. It's also one of the biggest and heaviest models we tested. It's somewhat difficult to move around once assembled, and it takes up quite a bit of space, even when the deck is folded up for storage. Regardless if you've got room for it, we feel this is an excellent option for any fitness level or training program, and a great way to experience the immersive workout of iFit app. Number 2. Echelon Stride. Your home gym isn't complete without the right cardio solution, but space can be an issue. If you have a limited area to keep your treadmill, its footprint is a primary feature to consider. The Echelon Stride has you covered without compromising on great quality and training options. With dimensions of 69 by 31 by 49 inches, it takes up the least space of all products in this lineup. It even folds to just 10 inches tall, giving you the potential for the best compactability. So the Echelon Stride has you covered in terms of space-saving features. Will it still offer the right training options and attributes to help you meet your fitness goals? Although the touchscreen isn't as large as the others on this list, the 18.5-inch console is programmed with 8 workouts, and it folds down for more compact storage. You can take an advantage of more than 40 daily life classes and 3,000 plus on-demand workouts with the Echelon's premium app membership. Try it for 30 days before selecting monthly, annual, or 2-year plans. If interactive training isn't the way you like to work out, you can also bring your own tech to the table with the built-in tablet holder. Echelon has you covered for heart rate training with integrated handlebar sensors, and Stride's rubber running deck is designed to absorb shock to prevent excessive impact on knees. Number 1. NordicTrack Commercial 2950. If you've got the space for it in your home gym, this NordicTrack treadmill is an impressive piece of kit. It has an incline range of -3 to 15% to hit all your workout needs, and top speed of 22 km per hour, which is around a 4-minute mile pace, which should be speedy enough for most runners. The belt also folds up, so you can keep it out of reach of kids and pets when you're not using it. During testing, we love the option to join classes and keep fit on the iFit compatible treadmill. although this does require you to have an iFit membership. The commercial $29.50 comes with a 30-day trial of iFit, but you'll need to renew that subscription every single month to take advantage of live classes, on-demand workouts, and other iFit extras. You can technically use the machine as a manual treadmill once the membership runs out, but that kind of defeats the purpose of the original investment. On the run, taller testers still found the treadmill comfortable and were able to fully stride out without feeling like they'd fall off. We were also able to easily adjust the angle of the screen to suit runners of different heights, but unlike the screens on the more expensive NordicTrack treadmills, it can't be rotated for other classes. All in all, this is a fantastic machine if you've got the space for it and want to use it for virtual classes. If you're trying to decide between this one and the Peloton, we'd say that the Peloton wins from a class perspective. However, if classes aren't your bag, there are probably cheaper options out there. So, that wraps up our list of the best treadmills for home. Hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Let us know in the comments down below which treadmill you're going to choose. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please get this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.